In a blank spreadsheet, label fields for rate, number of periods, payment, present value, and type. Insert values. Choose the cell where you want the result for future value to go. Click Formulas. In the left, select Financial. Double-click FV. A function. Arguments window will open. Fill in the field numbers according to how you labeled them. Click OK. Repeat these steps to make a calculator for other parameters.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.